Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is going to be a, let's say, sample Sunday chit chat. I was in Sephora and saw a new product, new to me, so I decided, hey, let's give it a go. She gave me samples, so I'm going to try it right on screen. It does get 4.6 stars out of 36 reviews on Sephora, and it is the Kora, K-O-R-A. Everything will be listed and linked below that I talk about today. And it is their Turmeric 2-in-1 Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. You all know I love to exfoliate, and my preferred method of exfoliation is enzyme. So we are going to see what this mask is all about. It does say enzyme. I have my little printout, and it says, what skin type is it good for? It's good for all. Normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. I don't see where it says anything about old lady mature skin, but we'll put dry as old lady mature. This is an invigorating 2-in-1 facial exfoliating mask formulated to revitalize and brighten, and it also helps to support skin cell renewal. Now I know in ancient times, perhaps still in India, I know for a bride to do a turmeric mask is something that is a must on their wedding day. If I have any soon-to-be brides or long-ago brides from India, please let us know if you did the traditional turmeric mask. All right, so this one says suggested usage: massage onto damp skin while avoiding eye area, leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, and that will be determined by your own skin. Now I probably will be able to go the full 15 minutes because my skin has been acclimated to enzymes mask. So if this is your first time using an enzyme mask and you may have a little bit of sensitivity, 5 minutes is the most. Now, if you've used Peter Thomas Roth pumpkin enzyme mask and you've left it on for 15 to 20 minutes, you probably will be able to leave this on, but that's why I'm sampling it. I will tell you, okay? All right, so remove with water. Okay, so we're gonna get started because I don't have my sink here with me, and it's so much easier. It's just easier for me to do my videos in one spot. If I didn't have to set the tripod up in my bath, my jacuzzi bath, I would do them in my bathroom all the time because I don't have to worry about lights or anything. I'm just sitting in front of a big old picture window. But today we are doing it in my beauty filming room, so I have nothing on my skin right now. I'm just going to take my Aven thermal water just to dampen my skin slightly. You don't have to, we don't need soaking wet skin, but it does say damp, so I'm just going to put a little bit of moisture on my skin, and then I'm going to open the pack. And she was generous. She gave me 2 samples, 2 little containers. It kind of looks like, well, it's not a very attractive color. Okay, there it is. It smells nice though, so we are going to go ahead and I'm just going to take some. It's going to get all under my fingernails, so forgive me. It's not doggy poo under my fingernails. It looks like ugh. Okay, all right, so we're going to go ahead. Now it does have little grains, so I'm going to say it's just like the Peter Thomas Roth as far as having tiny grains in it. So we want to make sure that we are applying it in a very gentle manner, especially if you are new to these types of masks. And we're going, ooh, it smells lovely, my friends. Very clean, fresh, botanical smell to it. And the color that you're seeing, the yellow undertone, is definitely the turmeric. All right, and I'm just gonna stay away from the eye area. Go ahead and apply that. You can do your neck with this. Some people have, their necks can be a little more sensitive, so be careful. As I mentioned, be careful when you're using any new mask, especially if it has little particles, scrubbing particles in it, because you can be a little rough if you're not really experienced at it, okay? But don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of them, my friends. Okay, so I am just going to leave this on now. And I want to get those lip lines on. Oh, this is a lovely look for me, isn't it? You don't want to use a good washcloth for this, okay? These are my facial washcloth. I do not care if they get stained or anything like that. I do wash them, and most of the time, most of the stains come out, but okay, let me just tell you, I ended up using that whole little one. I do have one left, and the use for this is to use 2 to 3 times weekly for optimum results, okay? So let's talk about this mask now. It has a very, very cooling effect. There is absolutely no tingling, no burning. My face feels like I have ice cold water on it. That is it. So let me see. It has been 15 minutes. So let's get on to, it says remove with water, massaging in a circular motion to exfoliate. So I'm going to go ahead and spritz some of this on my face, and I'm going to, put a pretty good amount of it on. And then I'm just going to go in now, when you are taking this off, don't go in like, you're trying to rub your face off the bone. You don't want to do that. You want to go in and like a butterfly, just float across your face. If you have to use your weakest finger, then that's what you do, because this is where and when you can do the damage. So I'm just going to, and don't go over it, don't keep going over the same area. Just go over it once the first time you use it. And I will say, if you have a problem with grains and exfoliation, then skip this part and just rinse it off. Don't rub, okay? I'm getting my hair all in this. I'm gonna have turmeric. I'm gonna have really yellow, or turmeric. I'm trying to say that right to my fellow Indian viewers, I am. Okay, I'm going to spritz my hand with the Aven water and do it that way, because it'll give me more moisture, and then it won't be as rough or tug on my skin. Okay, and I'm gonna go over the nose. Now when you get to this area and you're rubbing, be very gentle or just avoid it altogether, because that area can be a little more sensitive. Now when it comes to above the lip, I rub those babies. I'm trying to get them off. Yes, I am. Those lines, ooh, I hate them. I hate them. But anyway, we are just going to massage this all off. I'm going to put more water, really get it wet. Now I'm using my whole hand because I know how much pressure my skin can take, and it's still a very light pressure, okay? Get in the eyebrows to lift up any dead skin that's laying those brows. And let me tell you, the brows with the Revitalash and the Babe Lash, one is working better than the other because I have been truly committed to it. One's working better on the brows, and they pretty much, I'm not going to tell you yet, you go wait for my review. But anyway, the white hairs, oh my goodness, I could be Santa Claus for Christmas, that's for sure. All right, and I mean Santa, not Mrs. Claus, because they are growing in like a man's. All right, so now I'm just going to go to my sink. I like to rub right here because I get a lot of dead skin right underneath my nose area, but be careful, and the nostrils. I get a lot of dead skin there. I think it's because we avoid that area a lot. Okay, you can go right over your lips with this if you want, but I'm going to go to my sink now, and I'm going to take this off and come back and show you the results, all right? So you stick with me, babies. Okay, I'm back. I have to say that my skin feels absolutely beautiful. It really does. It looks flawless. There's not a piece of dead skin left on it. This is really, really a nice mask. I will probably, not right now, I have a couple of things to get through, and I'm getting through things before anything else, but I would buy this Kora Turmeric 2-in-1 Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. It is Kora Organic, so this is a really good line, and the price is $48 for the tube. Again, can be used for all skin types, gets 4.6 out of 5 stars. It has 36 reviews on Sephora. I don't know which age bracket or anything like that, but I am seriously impressed with this. It's beautiful. Now what I will do, which I'm not going to do in this video, but I will let you know, I'm going to add a mask on, and this is I just found these, I think I got this at Target, and it's the Acure line, which is the Purity Performance Plant Science. It has Seriously Soothing. This has hyaluronic acid and plant peptides in it. And it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free. I just saw these at Target, and I picked 2 of them up, and they feel really great. I'm not going to demonstrate this. This may come in another video, But anyway, maybe I'll do a video right after this for next week or something on this mask to tell you how it feels. But yes, I would highly recommend this. It is beautiful. For those of you that are using the Peter Thomas Roth pumpkin enzyme, which I absolutely love, this would be a great sister or brother for it, okay? Or something else to try. At least I made it through this video without the phone going off. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We're living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.